The bowler Hamid is a pretty well bowler. He's in the style of Malinga, bowling at 160 degree, targeting the middle stump. As the middle stump hit it broke the stumps. So, you're our guests here, and we are hosting this match of 8 overs. Yes, been commentating the first and the second innings both are well. And the situation is game. Pakistan versus India at Ahmedabad Cricket Stadium from the London Bob. And these players are pretty well in the batting side, so leaking the runs in the first overs. A target of 117. You are chasing the target of 117. And the skipper says, you're batting first. No runs. You're the cheaper batsman of your team. You didn't take the runs. You're beating the stump somewhere in the gallery. Oh, yes, I'm here. I'm ready for the game. And Hamid is saying to me, looking at me, we are making a video just to promote ourselves and just for that, communicating the people and funny videos. You are with us. And what is the big story? Wahi Khuda hai. Yes, of course. Allah is only one. And we are staying with the Palestine nowadays.
Yes.
So yesterday Pakistan lost the match. We hurt pretty well. And inshallah we will see them in the final game. So what can I say anymore?
Tell to the viewers that subscribe our channel.
Oh yes, this is the important thing. If you're gonna see our videos, subscribe the brother's channel, like and comment, and also share with your friends to see more and more videos. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.